Your mind is powerful, but sometimes it feels like it's working against you. Stress, overthinking, anxiety, sleepless nights. What if you could understand your mind in just a few minutes? Welcome to Mind in Minutes, a series where we break down big mental health topics into quick, simple, and science-backed lessons you can actually use. Each episode is just a few minutes long, but packed with insights to help you better understand yourself and your mental health. In Season 1, we're starting with the basics: anxiety, stress, self-esteem, overthinking, loneliness, burnout, and more. These are challenges so many of us face but rarely take the time to really unpack. My goal with this series is simple: to give you clarity, tools, and perspective, without overwhelming you. Just practical psychology, explained in minutes. So if you've ever wanted to understand your mind a little better, hit subscribe and join me for Season 1 of Mind in Minutes, because sometimes a few minutes can change the way you see everything.